Look, right on your left. You're right.
Down there, that's him.
That's it. You can't go near him, the guy said.
Not if I'm really far from him, next to him. That makes sense.
Look at the scenery.
Yeah.
No, stop. We all could say one couldn't be in that boat.
Yeah, I think you just said maximum 4 people.
Alright, geezer.
This is very dangerous. I can just stop and hit those people if I mean, not I want to, but it's dangerous. It's quite fast, is it?
Can't trust it, guy.
I don't know if I'm in the middle or not, I'm just going left or right. I just leave it alone here with that middle.
Sure.
Yeah, this is alright.
Nobody in them.
I don't even know how far we can go. No, bro.
Where is the boat?
That one there, turning.
The one that's turning is there.
See it? Where? I'm afraid of what's turning.
Look how close they are to one another.
Careful. We've been alright, but look.
I don't know which one I'm following.
Schneider cut.
Which one is that position?
I don't know, stop asking me, just be quiet now.
That's not them, that's not them.
I don't know where it
You
is.
said right there as possible, yeah. The same size as, yeah, you see on that side. Yeah, same, yeah, just
Same size as what?
the same size as him. Then you, wait there. Yeah, just
Right here.
I can see over there.
Say here, no close like this up.
yeah, you can do. You can sit next to him.
I want to sit there. Stink.
That guy's standing up.
No, Steve. Stink, pal.
That's them right down there.
Yeah, just blow in here, go in the bin here.
Oh, Jishan, I'm the driver. You're a designated driver. Look at that guy touching the water. Get the horn in this.
Is that in front of us? Why are they paddling for? That's not them.
That's the boat in the front of them. Look. See?
Right down there is them.
I'm beginning.
Jishan, no hands. That's definitely someone, that's one of them, so they have to be waving at us.
Let me play the Jack Sparrow theme song. Should I?
Go ahead. But don't play Cut Like Becky when the ship sinks.
I'll play the Pirates of the Caribbean theme song. Pirates of the Caribbean theme song.
Is that my phone?
My phone.
Well, don't go on the internet with it. Use my phone to go on the internet. I've got unlimited. Yeah, but the only problem is if I upload it.
Copy it, I know.
Yeah, turn it off. Turn it off if I use it for YouTube.
And they slow down, at least we have to get up to them. Why is that guy paddling shit, honestly? That man stood up, he's taking a film, he's drinking.
I'm drinking, lad. Yeah.
You want to do push-up? You want to go to the toilet? Just piss out the window. A window, piss out the floor. Oh, look at that view. That's a good view. You know what? Take a film of me with that view at the back here. Yeah, quickly. Sit there.
Sit there.
Yeah, just there. Take a film of me with that view at the back.
You're going to tip over.
The camera's running.
Yeah.
Get where's my hat behind you.
And you go saying, no, don't let him drive, don't let him drive.
Yeah, I can't let you drive.
Why? Are you scared of me driving?
To the heart, hit the heart.
Take the hat off.
Yeah.
That is a bit.
The hat doesn't go in the costume. The buoyancy aid.
One like this, I'll make a snapshot. But that'll come in the background.
Yeah. I'll zoom in. Should I zoom out?
No, don't zoom in.
So zoom out.
Zoom out. All of it.
It's already zoomed out.
Yeah, that's it.
We need to keep this in the middle.
It's going to be fast, isn't it now?
Like one without the hat. take all the view as well if you want. You sit there and make a snapshot of it. Go on, Mr. Driver.
They're not meant to go to the shallows, they're going to get sunk.
Sink,
Look
not
at
sunk.
blocks have to land. You know what, forget for them, I'm just turning around. I'm going to go around again.
No, go follow.
Right, gator.
Follow him. I want to film. Will you go on a straight line? Why are you going left and right? That's why you're taking ages to catch him.
Let me sit over here, take a video of me over here.
No, that's a good play. Just stay there.
Or should I sit in the corner here?
Alright, go on. Stay in the middle. That's in the middle thing.
Here. You're doing hot. They need, I know.
Oh, this is
Bye bye.
GoPro ਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਨਾ ਬਣਾ GoPro ਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਫਿਲਮ ਨਾ ਬਣਾ
तेरा फोन बेंच पे GoPro ना वीडियो बनाओ I can stand look my yeah. John.
Don't drive so close.
It's him.
Alright, I'm turning around now.
How did they get flipping rowing boat? Rowing?
You wanna drive?
No.
I don't want to drive no more.
I can't drive.
It's easy.
I can't drive.
It's easy.
I can't drive.
It's easy, believe me.
Shut up, man.
No.
I can't drive. You
Put
drive,
it,
you
don't
drive
put it
it.
in reverse.
You
Fine,
drive it.
just get in.
She's turned it off again. You idiot.
Go.
You drive out of the car, dear.
No, he can carry on driving either you or him, not me.
I don't want to drive.
Alright, that's it. I've got it.
If I should have been back, no phone there. I can't stand up, man. The hip is having a...
Alright, Nishan, I'm gonna have to change seats. Someone has to drive.
I can't drive.
All you do is turn.
Yeah, go on.
here.
Go
Is
on.
there pedal? Is there pedal?
No,
Let me try.
no.
What happened if I break it? If I break the seat?
Yeah, it's alright, break it.
You know what? Just stop the ball.
Get out. How do you start it?
We'll tell you, just change over.
Wait, don't hit your head. I'm gonna drive. Or am I driving now?
Alright. Go.
My hips are hurting.
Yeah.
I have a faint, I see. Here.
Right, doesn't matter, just press forward now.
Your legs don't even fit.
It's not
Turn
working.
it on. It's the keys off.
Right, put it in the middle first. Right, put it to on position. On. Right, now forward. That's it.
Now start turning it.
Yeah, you're driving.
Sit down on my sink. On my sink.
Keep very far from other people.
Alright, just be quiet, you bro.
Don't look at me, look forward.
Sit down, you tippity over, sit down. I'm driving it. I'm driving it. Man, this can't fit in here. This is a bit stupid.
Oh, look, turn around. What a message.
That was about 1 hour ago, wasn't that?
I was in the boat for 1 hour.
Put the Jaws teams on. And this is fun.
I can put these themes on my computer after we don't put
Play
them
for
here.
these are the scariest.
Because if you put them on here, I can't delete them. If you add music here, I can't delete it.
Wait, so 1 hour does the boat automatically turn off?
No,
Did they give us a warning, say go back to shore?
no, we'll go back 5 o'clock, that's it.
Is that house in the hills? Look. You see it, that brown little thing there?
Yeah,
Oh,
like a
yeah,
lodge.
living like America.
Like a lodge.
Coolio.
Like, go towards them, Jishan. They're behind us.
This is expensive. Come do it again. Can we go again or just go right? Next
Yeah,
time?
we'll go somewhere else. We'll go to another lake.
No, I'm gonna go here.
Alright, we'll go here. Go towards them anyway.
I am. What are you doing?
Film it.
He's doing a selfie, I think. Oh, were you filming us? Put a phone down. Let me take a picture of you behind it. There's really good scene.
Whoa.
I thought you were doing a selfie
Sir, no, it's
for
like-
Chacha or something.
Your
I was
tipping
doing
goes
this
over.
up, yeah, change it.
Your tipping goes over, sir.
Alright, doesn't matter. Go
You got
towards
the
them.
ball. You go right, we'll go right. You're going
Left
left.
going around in circles, so go towards them.
I'm going around there. They're never there.
Where are they?
That's them. That's them.
Go there. Go there.
Where?
There.
Why are you looking out the
What the
way?
hell are they doing now?
You're going around in circles. What are you doing?
I go. I thought I was down them, not there.
Nisha, don't head for the birds, okay?
Isn't it a turbo boost in here?
Yeah,
the
you
lady
can start
there.
paddling now. There, go towards them.
Turning.
Go towards them.
I'm turning.
Oh, the bloody wasps come follow me. There's no food.
You just focus on driving.
Where is it?
Yeah, look.
Shove it out.
He lives here. What do we
Shove it out, man.
Do not rock the boat. I don't want to fall off.
They're going there, they're avoiding it on purpose.
Whoever the driver is, this is awful standing up. Whoever the driver is, that's the reason.
Who's Emmons? That's Emmons driving. That's the radio.
Will you stop going out in circles? Go towards them.
I'm going there, look, it's not going there.
You're not keeping it in. You need to wait and see.
I told you I can't drive it.
Practice my traffic.
Happy now.
Yeah, go towards them. Now straight the wheel out. He's going to start going left again.
Can't drive, for God's sake, man. Is it straight now?
The boat's push up behind you. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Hips ahead,
You don't know what you're doing.
Hold on, stop it.
You don't
Forget stopping it. Just change over.
carry on driving. I'm relaxing here. Just keep on driving.
I tell you what, nobody drives. You come here and I'll just drive.
I'm saying that, mate, I'm saying that.
Nobody drives.
Yeah. It doesn't need to drive. What's around us? Nothing.
Alright,
Jones, this shit is behind us, Jones.
let's swap.
Yeah, leave it on. It'll just come out.
This shit was down the ocean there. I mean the water. Left hand side. Flowing. Oh, that's the can.
And that's a can.
I thought it was a duck.
So layering over here. You save it.
Yeah.
Pollution.
Imagine you're coming in a stormy lightning there.
People have done that.
No, they don't let boats out on stormy days.
I mean, again, other places.
Unless they own it. Unless you've got your own boat. They won't let you come out with if the water's choppy or... That's what we need. We need to hire one of them.
So how there's man.
We need to hire one of them.
You've got a long line straight forward.
Hey man!
You said no, they're dead spiders here and the webs. You signed a place with webs and dead spiders. Webs and dead spiders on there.
Am I falling here? This guy's nutrition was terrible.
My lady.
He's saying my lady from the 18th.
No, Thunderbird. See, look out. Look how fast I'm going. You go left, right. You get to driving. I'm telling you, that's going to be easier. You're in water. Look at Shaz straight back into no coming. Or I'm straight into.
Idiot.
You'll have to stop the boat.
They're getting back around in that big hill.
Yep.
Got it. Hey man, it's not cool, bro. My leg didn't go under the flipping thing. I had to sit sideways. You missed that one. Maybe last time we could have been here. You're going too close to them. Going too close to them.
I know how close I am. Look how close I am to you.
Here. 5 o'clock. वापस चले ला पाइयो. 5 to 5. Start driving back.
What they did, hopefully you start looking up to you.
Jan. Oh, Eddie.
Where's my hat? Why are you wearing this? Sweating it.
GoPro ਦੀ ਫਿਲਮ ਬਣਾਓ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਬੇੜੀ 'ਚ
That's my sweat I want to back.
GoPro ਦੀ ਫਿਲਮ ਬਣਾਓ ਆਪਣੀ ਬੇੜੀ 'ਚ
Throw the GoPro, throw it.
GoPro ਕੁੜੀ ਦੀ ਫਿਲਮ ਬਣਾ GoPro ਦੀ ਇਹਨੇ
Throw the GoPro here.
Listen, bloody boy, the club showed me. After the murder, the club showed me. Bloody boy.
Yeah, turn it yourself.
I turned it off.
We're sinking. You're driving, idiot.
Looking at them.
It's in the water, I'm trying to stop doing that.
What am I doing? I'm just started driving. How can I get water? Here, say you want a boat here. Get you fall over. You're gonna. What's that fucking this thing on the box?
Let me record him.
No I do a better job
No, you don't. You're monkey driving, hospital, driving, controlling, TV, filming, I mean.
Look at the house people with their own. That two houses, they must share it.
Look at the houses over there, mansion.
That's not a mansion.
I don't know, look at it. My phone's I'm dead. It's not me, it's him.
I can't hear you. I have to come closer. I can't hear you. I have to come closer.
Is there any more sandwiches left? Are there? Are there?
yeah
Why are you making this messed up face for?
well, what are you thinking of food for
Because I'm hungry.
so catch a fish and eat it
But you are a fish. You shut up, blob.
what time is it
51.
yeah about 5 o'clock start heading back
What time is it?
51.
there's another 10 minutes yet
It should take 10 minutes to go down, going back.
Set off in 10 minutes.
Set off now. Will it take 10 minutes to get there?
no we don't have to be there till 10:05 anyway
Just stay here. They're both leaking water going off it.
Set off in 10 minutes. You need to go back in 10 minutes.
I know even running that security.
Set back in 10 minutes.
Tell him to stop following us.
Stop This guy's in. Cracker, you can have a drive, doesn't know the lights here. You start driving now, you start driving. She's recording with the phone and the GoPro.
Oh my. Give it.
Throw me the GoPro.
no the same thing GoPro is only good if you're walking in the boat we're not
She's not
walking
recording, she's on the phone.
it's alright recording with this is just it's better than GoPro
Don't kiss my way.
you shouldn't go on that side so we're not tilting the boat.
We should have asked him for we to stick the GoPro in front of the boat.
Oh yeah.
What?
You could ask them if you can put a GoPro onto the boat, stick it on.
You have to ask him if I had the right things, I can do it myself. Just here or something. What's the point though?
No, on the front of the facing, isn't it? GoPro minute. She's recording, but she's not recording anything. She's recording the sea. Sadi video nahi banawo.
Yeah, it's alright.
Shan, turn left. Let's go straight now.
What do you think I'm going?
Sadi video nahi banawo.
Why you? I'm not.
Because that GoPro it don't have a zoom on it, that's why.
You're gonna sink.
What?
Stop telling us, stop filming us with GoPro.
I'm saying why you filming news?
Because I've got a zoom on it, she hasn't.
Shan, Jaws behind you.
I can't even tell which pier we left off from.
That one there.
That one there?
Yeah,
No, it isn't.
that is.
Yeah.
That's the only pier there, you idiot.
That's the one we left from.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't, let me have a look with the camera.
It is.
I don't think so.
It is. Where do you start from there? Start from down there.
Go back this way.
That pier, yes, that's the one.
That is that one.
We better not go to the wrong pier, I guess.
Shan, stand stalling there.
Yeah, okay.
Wait, bro.
Mummy is the worst filmer ever. She's worse
You're the worst
than
driver.
she's worse than you. Like, I'm driving close to them, but not very close.
Just be quiet, not the kids that you took.
I'm driving close to them, but not gonna hit them. They ain't a dodge them. It's like we got a better boat. He said, eh? They have an automatic. He has to have a money.
You know.
What the hell are you trying to do?
Go on, you do it.
No, you're right. I should have gone extra.
Lina.
My head. Check the look at this.
It's come really close.
Oh, the
No.
boys are gonna crack the pot into the guy's sex.
No, don't go too close.
Yeah.
You just tell me what I said. I can't.
You got a fucking message.
Oh, now I can hear it.
Jan, did you say your boat's not automatic? Did you say your boat's not automatic?
Yeah, it's 5-1 now.
Right, go back now. Go back.
I'm going back.
Yeah.
Is that pier there?
Yeah, go.
Oh, how am I going to park?
Just go, we'll see when we get there.
Yeah, move your phone, move your phone.
You got what? You got a shock?
Where you going? You better go back to the thingy.
We've got 5 minutes left.
We're going after this home. I can go eat the food. Food? No more, no ruins or anything, yeah? I think I might actually have a slip disc. It's hurting a lot.
You seem to be enjoying yourself. When that wasp came, look how you acted.
Well, you can't show pain, can you?
Well, that wasp came, you seem to react alright.
You can't show pain, can you, pal?
Palpatine.
Shut your mouth.
Palpatine.
I want to go further in. Full of 1 hour journey into there. And come back out. Are we not stand up in here? There was sale, wasn't there?
Alright, I'm gonna have to stop here because they
Yeah, we have to drive now.
they're getting too close.
Yeah, we have to drive now. He got parked anyway in the passage. Was that full hour? Yeah, if you look an hour. Was this expensive? Was this expensive?
80 quid.
80 quid for both of us.
For an hour? Is that expensive?
£40 per boat.
Is that expensive?
Well, it's different experience, isn't it? Different.
It's expensive.
What it is if you can't afford it? Yeah, it's not. It is expensive. No, not really. For an hour, it's worth it though.
Yeah, exactly. We better have the radio on it.
Parking wasn't easy.
ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕੀ ਕਿਹਾ
वीडियो में ऐसे हेल्प करेगा
उसमें मेरा भी ओपन करो नहीं तुसी करो
These boats, you just have to park straight. I have to get the one that's the worst one ever.
हाँ जी मेरा भी उतारियो
Open.
चल रहा कैमरा
Listen.
कैमरा चल रहा
Both sides run on the back.
Just give it to them guys, innit? The Avengers.
There's no swimming water. Where's it gone? Listen, I wasn't going to.